Hello my friends and welcome back to the channel. I've got some exciting stuff to share with you today because I got a little bit busy in the garage. Not like that. Why are you bringing the tone of the video down straight away, man? Stuff on one of the builds. You guys may know if this isn't your first time tuning in, we've got a Honda Civic build we're about to start. I wish today was about that, but we are waiting on parts to arrive. We are at the mercy of the distributors right now for the parts that have got to come from Japan and all around the world, basically, for the engine. So I can't wait to see that. If you missed the video, it's linked in the top right corner and it'll be linked at the end of today's video. So, what are we working on today if it's not the Honda? Let me show you. It's just behind this. It's just behind this door. It's gonna be really cool. What are you doing here? This is my garage. Anyway, let's go in the garage. Come on, let's go. So there is something that had been bugging me about the Nissan Silvia, and I know a bunch of you didn't like it very much. So I got to work and I took off the livery. Yes, the livery that Violent D excellently put on the car is now off. I spent a few hours the other night taking it off to get the car ready for its next stage. I wanted to go back to street car, clean look. So now we can finally start getting on the spanners and getting this car back on track and on the road. So the livery is gone and I just want to ask you guys, do you guys like it or not? Now, leave me a comment down below. You can leave as many comments as you like throughout the video and it's going to enter you into a competition. Now we've got people watching again. I think it's only fair I reward you guys for the punishment it must be for giving me some of your attention throughout the day. We've just got Will Penny arrive. Look at that. Hey, Will Penny. Sorry.
Hi, guys.
So by leaving a comment on the video, it means you're going to enter for one of our 621 snapbacks. We're sending that out to you in the next video we film. I will announce the winner. So just leave as many comments as you want. I'm going to use a random generator for the winner, the comment picker thing. So today is a easy job for Will, not so much easy for me, so I'll try and get on the tools today. There's two major things wrong with the car that we need to deal with, and it's all on this back end. What we've got to do, wheel bearings. I won't worry about that today, although if we can get them off, it might be convenient while I've got Will here to use his brain. How long have I got you for today? Oh, look at that, as long as I need, he says. And number two, it's a very easy job to do, but I also watched a guy have a horrible time doing it on YouTube. That's why I asked Will to come and help me. Here is to get the diff out. Now, the diff leaks, the cuts move. I'll show you that once we get it out. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get to work.
Where did you put the stand?
There is bits on the sill to do. Oh, the exhaust is off the hanger as well. That's kind of interesting, I guess. Pretty cool shot, not gonna lie, that was a pretty cool shot. Right, let's do my least favourite thing in the world and lay on the freaking cold concrete floor. Gotta get to the diff and there's some bolts and stuff we have to undo. This hasn't been taken out for a very long time, so the drive shaft has to come off, the prop has to come off. These two bolts here, I believe, have to come out. You can see it leaking. Oh no, why did I touch it? Oh,
that's disgusting.
I forgot how disgusting that shit smells. Anyway, just so miserable laying on the floor. Should we try and get it higher?
Yeah, I was just about to say.
Yeah, I think we're going to try and get it higher. Let's rejack it.
We fucking reject.
And it's high enough just for at least one more hole. Yeah, I do. We're good? We're good? Let's drop this bitch.
Double hold up.
Let me know in a comment if you've got an older, more disgusting 621 hat. I'll bring you a new one, alright? Remind me next time I see you.
This is a treasure cut item.
Remind me next time I see you. We're getting you a new hat. That is disgusting. As always, Will Penny jumped straight underneath the car, straight on the tools. This guy is the absolute best. Make sure you go follow him over on Instagram.
I feel useless. Bit fucking useless, mate.
Well, I have to admit, having Will here makes me feel kind of useless, so...
The exhaust gas gets fucked.
Is it? That's fine. That is good. Like, I see eBay sponsored Bok the other day. Put in a word, Bok, come on, get us some sponsorships, mate. God, these poor old Driftworks coilovers, they have seen some shit, man. They've seen some stuff.
You can't get that side on there.
Oh, for
See what I mean?
Fucking hell, cunt.
It's quite tight, isn't it?
It stinks under here. So it's that fucking leaky diff, man.
It smells of cat piss.
That is rancid. Oh, you need to get me a sweet media deal with BMW where they let you PCP a car for like 20 quid. M3 Touring, please, buddy. Cheers. Do you ever just sit and contemplate things and be like,
Why did I start?
is it worth it? Is it worth it? Do I just pay some prick to fucking overcharge me? I just punched myself so hard in the eye! Oh my god!
Can't see a black eye in the morning.
I actually might. I like saw TV static. Okay, that is officially your turn now to... at least we got that on camera, I guess. I can't actually see out of it. That's kind of a worry, isn't it?
Nah, you're right. You got another one.
Oh, if I'm actually giving myself a black eye, that would be the funniest thing ever. We need to think of a backstory. That actually really hurt. I literally saw TV static when that happened. I've got a date tomorrow.
Ignore the black eye, I punched myself.
Man, I actually can't see straight. That's fucking hurt. I've hit myself so hard. We finally get to use the new toy. If I can remember what I've done with it. Yes! Yes! Fire! Woo! We've got the fire extinguisher. Don't worry, we are safe. We're all compliant. Go on, give it a little flame. Woo! Fucking shit! That's a real fire, Will Penny!
Set fire to your car.
Don't actually set it on fire, Will! Woo! Put it everywhere, I've just sprayed all that shit, you fucking idiot! Wait, don't put it there!
Oh, this fucking thing's shit, mate.
Shit, is it?
Oh, it's really good next to this plastic fuel tank, though.
Yeah, can we not do it? I changed my mind.
Too late, mate, I'm doing it. So, we got a fire extinguisher.
Yeah, it's right here. I don't know how you use it. Potential fire hazard aside, this actually worked. This little Amazon butane gas fire machine thing did the trick. Oh my god, Finn, what are you doing, dude? Oh no. Oh fucking hell. It's actually gone purple before my very eye. I'll keep giving you an update on the old eyeball. That sucked. Oh no! Oh my god! I don't know if this is a good moment to mention that the only thing I'm actually scared of in this entire world, other than taxes and getting divorced and losing half your shit, is fire. Like, that is literally like my biggest fear. Right, where's the accident book? Come on. Yeah, Will Penny! Come on! Let's go, Will Penny! Woo! I'm a cheerleader, if nothing else, you know? Yes! Oh. Oh! There's a wire still on it.
Yeah, it's alright.
We've got a diff. A stinky, leaky diff. And the movements on the cups are pretty horrible, aren't they?
This side's got a bit of in and out as well. The bearing's obviously gone.
Yeah. And that is from lots and lots of years of excellent skids. So I'm not going to complain. I've definitely had my money's worth out of that diff. Considering I didn't pay anything for it. It came with the car. So, very happy. You kind of went, oh, it won't take long. And now I've punched myself in the eye and he's like, been under the car for an hour. But it's out. Now we've got to decide where to take it. There's 2 places I can take it. I'm just literally, the way I'm going to decide this, I'm going to put both of their addresses in Google Maps, and whichever one is closer, that's where I'm going. I like both of them. It's Garage 21 and Garage D. Yeah. Whichever one of you is closest to me, I'm coming to them. But for now, Will, thank you, my man. Unless we get a wheel bearing off now, like the hub.
Yeah, can do.
Shall we do that as well while you're here? Might as well, and then we can finish up a video, and then we'll go and do a video with the other stuff. Cool, let's do it. Let's do it. So this is the wheel bearing we need to press out. So I guess it's loosen the caliper off, take the brake off. Now because I am lazy, I never put the grub screw in, so we don't have to worry about that being a problem. Take the drive shaft off and knock that out, I guess, and undo some stuff that's probably going to be really rusty and probably break, and then I'm going to really have a mental breakdown, which is going to be super cool. Lefty loosey. Man, I can't get this bitch to move!
Your camera's gone, mate.
I'll take tonight as a victory, considering I nearly knocked myself out and you've done all the work. Wheel bearings are out. Will, thank you so much, my friend. I genuinely appreciate it so much. I will bring you a new hat. And also someone's going to get to win a hat as well as Will Penny if they leave a comment on today's video. You can enter as many times as you want. Spam that shit if you like. I have no problem with that. So these are going in. We've got new exhaust, gaskets to order, and then we have the very expensive part to purchase, which is going to be getting this differential. Why did I say it like that?
Differential?
Sound like AI. To tell you, this is my initials. That diff sorted. Like I said, I haven't decided who's going to do it yet. We're going to say goodbye, and I'll see you in the next instalment of whatever we've got to come. Let me know, do you like the livery, liveryless or with the livery? I'll see you guys soon. Oh, bye, Will Penny. Bye, mate. Oh.
Absolutely, mate.
Oh, what's going on, mate? I was impressed that had aircon. That's how behind I am on technology. The car's still moving itself. What is going on? I hope that worked. If that didn't work, I've got to learn this timing thing. It's hard, all right? Especially when it's just you and a little DJI thing, but this camera is goated.